Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you download your Binance application into your Android devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Play Store application, and after that you will get to see this search button at the bottom. Tap to search and then search for Binance into here. Now, after searching the Binance, you will get to see this Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto application. Just simply tap to this application and then this install button will be visible. Tap to install button and then the application will successfully be downloaded depending on your internet connection speed. I hope this video was informative for you, and by following these very easy steps, you can also download Binance app. Thank you for watching the video.